Okay, we are going to review our place value. I have made a chart, and in the middle I have standard form. And I've written the digits 23984. So when we look at this number, this is the standard form. It's just how you write a number. Okay, now I'm going to first go to my word form. So when I read this number, I'm going to look at that comma. I'm going to look what's to the left of it. And when I cover that up, I'll read that as 23, okay? So up here in my word form, I'm gonna write it using words, 23. Now I'm gonna pause and think. When I get to that comma, I'm gonna say the word thousand. So 23,000. So then I'm going to write the word thousand and then put my comma. Okay, so 23, and then you say the word thousand when you see that comma, and you write the word thousand and then you draw the comma. Okay, then I look at the rest of the number 900, because that's in the hundreds place. So I'm going to write 984. I think I put my dash between 80 and 4. You notice I also have a dash between 20 and 3. So when we look at this number in standard form, I will say that as 23,984. In expanded form, it's like a rubber band. I'm going to take the number and stretch it out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in that number. So I'm going to add up the value of all 5 digits. If I start with the biggest digit, 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after it. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. So the value of this 2 is 20,000. Plus, go to the next digit, 3. And there is 1, 2, 3 digits after it. So I'm going to write my 3 and put 1, 2, 3 zeros after it. Put my comma. So the value of this 3 is 3,000. Plus, go to my next digit, 9. And there are 1, 2 digits after it, so I need 2 zeros after that 9. The value of this 9 is 900. 900. Plus, go to my next digit, 8. There's 1 digit after it. So I'm going to put 1 0 after it. The value of this 8 is 80. Plus the last digit, 4. There's no digits after it. It's just 4 ones. So 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4 will equal the standard number of 23,984. And that is expanded form. You're expanding each of those digits and you're adding up the value of each digit. Okay, let's go down here to our place value chart. How many ones in this number? How many tens? I have 8 tens. How many hundreds? 9 hundreds, comma. I have a comma right there. My thousands place, I have 3. My 10,000s place, I have 2. So this is our place value chart. We have our 10,000s place, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then last, we have our base 10 blocks, okay? Now, we don't have a base 10 block for 10,000s, but we do have the thousands. So when we have the thousands block, it's a cube. So in order to have enough, I would have to draw 23 of these thousands. So I'm just going to kind of put times 23. I need 23 of them. Now I need 900s. So the 900s are used with just the square blocks, the square base 10 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can go and add all your lines. You don't have to make it perfect to be, when you draw it on your own, to make it have 100 squares inside. But you need to know and recognize that the squares represent 100. The cube represents 1,000. Yes, I'm just doing mine really fast so that you have to see me try to draw perfectly. Okay, so I need 23 thousandths, so I have 1 cube times 23 of those. I need 900ths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 8 tens. So the tens are going to be the long rectangles. It'd be one of these rows in the hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8 tens, and each 10 of these will fit inside of 100. 10 tens make 100. Okay, I need 4 ones. Those are the little tiny squares because 100 ones will fit in 100. 10 ones will make a 10. So inside of these rectangles, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll have 10 squares. So I just need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how we would represent that number using base 10 blocks. So this is 5 ways to show a number. We have our standard form, our word form, expanded form, our base 10 blocks, and then our place value chart.